Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8.0 T290 T295 models. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and take off the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or SIM tray using a picker and point head. And then, by using a picker or plastic car pry tool, gently move around the tablet to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and then on the left hand side undo 2 screws to remove the bracket on the battery connector. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and take out the bracket by undoing 9 screws. Next, loosen the adhesive and lift the lever to disconnect the main ribbon flakes. And then take out the not working charging port by using a pry tool. Next, place the new charging port board in the body. Next, secure the main ribbon connector and place the adhesive. And then secure the bracket by adding 9 screws. Next, secure the battery connector and place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, place the front unit on the back cover. Slide in the top section first, then follow the top. Ensure all clips are secured and then insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.